Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, which will be the first of a series, we will be looking at the most common text functions. These functions can be used in various ways, most commonly used to manipulate certain data sources, to digest them quite easy, or even combine them to be able to create unique references or unique data sets that can be used in different applications. So the first few that we will be looking at is the function called left, right, length, find, and then we will also look at combining them in later videos. So we will be discussing the left and the right functions in this video. The left and the right functions can extract letters or numbers from data in a different cell to be able to be digested in a different way. For example, the left function will extract data from a cell from the left to the right, and the right function will extract the data from the right to the left. Let's look at an example. So as you can see in column B, the first names are noted for each employee. If we want to create a data set where we only have the initial and, for example, combined with the surname, then we can use the left function to extract only the first letter to be able to get the initial. To do that, we will type the equal sign followed by the function name called left, and thereafter we will select the text that we want to extract the data from. In this case, we will select the cell for the name. We will then be adding a comma in the function so that it can move to the second portion of that function, and then we will add the number of characters that we would want to extract. In this case, because we want the initial only, we will only want to extract one character. We close the function with a closed bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, it provides the letter T, which is the first letter of the name Tabi. This enables us to get the initials of all the employees. This can simply be combined in various different ways depending on your application. The right function works very similar. We will type the word right, and then we can choose the cell that we want to add. For example, if we want to combine this to create a unique reference number, for example, using the first three letters of the surname, we can use the left function to extract that, and then maybe add in the last three digits of the employee ID to create a more unique reference number. We can do that by selecting the employee ID cell and then add the amount of characters that we want and pressing the enter key. This will then extract the last three digits from the employee ID. The applications with the left and the right function, especially if it is combined with other functions, which we will be exploring in later videos, can make it very useful to manipulate data sets and create new unique data sets that can be used in various different ways. I trust you enjoyed this video, and remember to like and subscribe.